Hey there, food lovers! Today, I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy-to-make recipe, Nasi Goreng. This Indonesian fried rice dish is a must-try, and I promise you'll love it as much as I do. First, let's prepare the rice. Make sure it's cooked just right and fluffy, while also being slightly sticky. This texture is key to achieving that perfect fried rice consistency. Next, we'll create the flavorful sauce. Combine sambal and Capcut manis together to make a delightful concoction that adds depth and richness to your dish. Pro tip, go for the one with added sugar for that extra sweet kick. Then whip up some tasty telur datar using egg and shredded spring onion. Now it's time for the star ingredients, suriname and bawang goreng. Start by sauteing the chicken strips in oil until they're fully cooked. Then add in your rice and mix it all together with your homemade sauce. Finally, top it off with crispy bawang goreng for an extra crunchy texture and even more flavor. Trust me, this Nasi Goreng recipe is a game changer, and you won't be able to stop making it once you try it. Give it a shot and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tasty recipes like this one. Happy cooking!